Hi everyone, I'm Maria. Today I'm going to review Daiso Light Polymer Clay as requested. So let's get started. I bought this when it got sale about $3 from local online shop. This is the last stock. This is the color chart for how to mix colors and create other colors. It claims that we can make durable sculptures, can create detailed features and crack resistance. These are the features and how to use this Daiso Light Polymer Clay, which I'm going to prove it later. It said lightweight, pliant, super stretchy, sticks well to other clay and dry clay, won't stick to hands, fragrance-free, low compression after drying, protects against cracks and warping, acrylic and watercolor paint friendly. I'm going to open this. Whoa, this is soft. I'm going to take it. This is stretchy, very soft, very pliant. I think this is good for making detailed sculptures. I'm going to divide it into 3 balls. You can also make a very thin piece like a flower petal, like this. So for the first ball, I mix it with blue acrylic paint to create green color. And then knead it well. Whoa, it creates neon green. Next, I'm going to put it into Kutsua 3D mold to test if it holds the shape. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is quite similar to the shape of the mold. It's good. It does hold the shape well. Next, for the second bowl, I'm going to combine with Daiso Polymer Clay. Next, flatten it. I'm using mini star cookie cutter. I think because the star cutter is made from plastic, it's not sharp enough to cut the clay. So I just stir it manually. But the result is still good. Next, for the third bowl, I combine with Daiso Polymer Clay, the yellow ochre. Then mix it. It creates a very light brown compared to the original yellow color. It can be cut nicely using scissors, even though it's not dry yet. Next, I'm going to let it dry for 1 day. Okay, it's 1 day already. Let's see for the third ball. I think it dries spongy. When it's dry, I think it's similar to jumping clay, the Korean jumping clay. Next, let's check the durability test. For a thin piece, you can break it easily, so better coat it with varnish. For a thicker piece like this, it's durable. It does shrink a little, so there are no new cracks. The cracks already there before drying process, so it's true that it's crack resistant. The surface is still smooth. Next, I'm going to test if it's water resistant like one of Daiso Polymer Clay features. I'm spraying all pieces using water spray. Let's see. Okay, the color comes out. I smoothened this leaf. The texture of the leaf has gone. So this Daiso Light Polymer Clay does absorb water. Even though the combined clay also absorbs water, but this one a little bit better. I think the ratio should be bigger for Daiso Polymer Clay. Or if you want water resistance, just use Daiso Polymer Clay, not Light Polymer Clay. But if you still want to use Daiso Light Polymer Clay, you can coat it using varnish. after it fully dries to make it water resistant. Because it does absorb water, I still can reshape the clay. For me, this Daiso light polymer clay is a good alternative rather than buying expensive air dry clays, and also good for a specific purpose like making anime sculpture, fake food and other shapes that suit this clay texture. So that's my review and my opinion about Daiso light polymer clay. I hope my review is informative for you. You may know if this Daiso light polymer clay fits your needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.